You're such a good eater. Yummy. That's a strawberry. Yum. Oh, didn't quite get that one. Oh, fell back on your tray. You're such a good eater. My little chow hound. What's your selection there? You have pears and blueberries and strawberries, huh? Yum. It's a blueberry. Mmm. You love your blueberries. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yum. Yummy. You're such a great eater. I better start cutting you up more, or I'm going to be in trouble. Say bye to the camera. Bye. Mwah. Mwah. Bye. I'm shutting it off. That's okay, Mom. I just want to eat.